Video vlog check everybody, Azrael here and you are watching my YouTube channel Features Lifestyle, Travel, Food and Tech and also unboxing. Today I'm going to feature the latest gaming chair from Secretlab. They have another collaboration with DC Comics and Warner Brothers. So last December 1, 2021, they launched the Secretlab TITAN Evo 2022 Superman and Flash Edition. So for Superman fans and Flash fans, this new gaming chair from Secretlab is a must-have. It is a best throne for your gaming room and also to your comics and toy gallery room. So Secretlab sent a unit here in my home in Cavite, kaya I'm so excited to unbox and try it. So that's the episode for today. We're going to unbox the Secretlab TITAN Evo 2022 Superman Edition. Wow, kaya ako naka-Superman ngayon. So before I unbox it, let me show to you the specs and features of the new Secretlab TITAN Evo 2022. So the Secretlab TITAN Evo 2022 is available in 3 different sizes: small, regular, and XL. It has an ergonomic pebble seat base fusing the best of the Omega and the Titan model for super ergonomic support. It is made from new generation upholstery, the Secretlab NEO Hybrid Leatherette, a new multi-layer structure designed to withstand long hours of daily use, and it is 12 times more durable than regular PU leather. Matibay siya. One of the coolest feature is the 4-way L-ADAPT Lumbar System. It's a built-in adjustable lumbar support on the Secretlab Titan to align with your lower back and support your spine in neutral position. There's also a full metal 4D armrest with cloud swap replacement system. It is magnetic. It has a multi-tilt mechanism, full-length ergonomic backrest, a DC-12 aluminum wheelbase, Secretlab magnetic memory foam head pillow. There's also an NFC anti-counterfeit technology. For the SRP and where to purchase it, if you are here in the Philippines, I provided a link below, a link to their Lazada official store where you can purchase the Secretlab gaming chair. Now you know the awesome features of the Secretlab TITAN Evo 2022. I'm now going to show you and unbox it, the Superman edition, and also I will also assemble it right in front of you. Alright, are you guys ready? Okay, let's do this. Wow! Super sarap maupo. Talagang nare-relax ako, and I really like the back support. It's so very adjustable. You can adjust the yung backrest niya. That's the yung lumbar system niya. Super nice. So super ganda nitong chair. Talagang the posture ko is very hindi na ako naupo ba. That's the best sa Secretlab gaming chair. Especially the Secretlab TITAN Evo 2022, which you can purchase now in Lazada. Available na siya. Sarap, grabe. And you can remove the magnetic headrest para this. And I really like the Superman logo. Super ganda, grabe. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are excited for this new product from Secretlab. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, Secretlab Superman Edition. Alright. Astig.